In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get all fleeces in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fleeces are unlocked using holy talismans, with the exception of God of Death Fleece, Cowboy, and playing as the goat, and they give the lamb special powers but with a negative effect. These fleeces often encourage specific playstyles while discouraging others. So these are all the variants. As you can see, they will have a bonus and a side effect, and you can choose accordingly depending on what you think is best. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the current ways in which you will be able to get shards, which gives you enough talismans for all of the fleas. So for you to get these shards and get talisman to acquire all of these, do the fisherman's requests in Pilgrim's Passage for fragments. Next, completing Sozo's requests in Spore Grotto, which will give you 4 more. Next, giving Plimbo an Eye of the Witness in Smuggler's Sanctuary, and this will give you 4 fragments as well. Sacrificing a follower to Midas in Midas, once again 4 fragments, and doing deals with the fox who appears in each of the areas mentioned above for more fragments. Then, in the post-game, giving Plimbo an Eye of the Witness in Smuggler's Sanctuary for defeating the second variant of the Witness, 4 fragments, and giving God Tier to the mysterious figure as part of a chance. This has a limited number of times, which gives you 12 fragments. So if you did all of the quests, then you will just have to farm God Tiers to get all of the Fleeces. So just make sure that you talk to all of the NPCs, you do all of the quest lines, you get all of the talisman shards, and you will be able to get most of the Fleeces. To get the remaining talisman shards, you will have to farm God Tiers. I hope I was able to help you on how to get all fleeces in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.